Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given an equation in z and we have to find the value of z such that it satisfies the given equation. So the equation is minus of 2 multiplied by 4z minus 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus of 5z minus 3 equals minus of 76 multiplied by 1. So minus of 2 multiplied by 4z will become minus of 8z, minus of 2 multiplied by minus of 1 will become plus 2, then 3 multiplied by minus of 5z will become minus of 15z, and 3 multiplied by minus of 3 is minus of 9, which will be equals minus of 76. So minus of 15z minus 8z will become minus of 23z, right? And minus of 9 plus 2 will become minus of 7. Shift minus of 7 to the right hand side, so it will become plus 7. So in the right hand side we will have minus of 76 plus 7. So we will have minus of 23z equals minus of 69. Divide both sides of the equality by minus of 23. So z will be equals minus of 69 upon minus of 23. So minus and minus will cancel out each other, and 69 upon 23 will give us 3. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option A will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.